Hi.
My name is Arham and I'm with my mom today. Today we're going to do a science experiment. These are the things. This and this. Mom, there are too many. Can you show the
So,
rest?
Arham, do you know which science experiment are we going to be doing today?
Yes.
Which one?
A fan one.
A fan one.
Yes.
All right. Do you know what is a current?
No.
Well, a current is actually a flow of electrons in a closed loop. Do you know what's a closed loop?
Yes.
What is it?
I mean, no.
Oh, you don't know? I'll tell you. When we join together devices, then they form a closed loop, and we need a battery to connect to them so that the battery can transfer the current.
That's right.
Okay, so do you want to do a fan experiment today?
Yes.
All right. So what will we be needing?
And guys, later after the fan, we're going to do the ball, a light one.
Okay. So I will be telling you what they will be needing for this experiment. Okay. You see,
Yes.
this is a battery holder. Can you see? It's a small battery holder, and we are going to be putting a battery inside it. It's a 1.5 volt battery, and with this battery holder there are two wires. One is the positive side and other is the negative side. As you can see, the positive one is red and the negative one wire is black. So always where the plus sign is there, you put the red wire, and the minus sign, you put the black wire. And what else do we need? We need a motor.
Yes, a motor.
It's a motor and it's easily available in the market. It's a toy motor. And a small plastic fan.
And a small plastic fan, that's right.
And we need some black and
Black
red
and
wires, so we
and-
can be using it for the making a circuit.
And we need these things to hold the wires.
These are called clips.
Yes.
These are connectivity clips, right? We can use it easily. And then I have a small switch that's used in toys, and I'm going to make it a switch loop so that you can on it and then turn it off easily. This switch has two ports, as you can see. How many, Arham?
2 ports.
One will be connected in the positive to the positive, and the other will be connected to the negative.
Okay, let's start.
Let's start doing it.
Yay! Here are the things we need first. First, there's a little hole behind the back of the fan. Can you see it? Can you see it? The little hole. The motor will go inside that little hole. So let's put the motor in. There we go.
Done?
Yeah, it's done.
See, the motor is inside the hole, and it has a small pin that goes in the hole, and the motor also has one positive and one negative terminal. As you can see, it has two terminals which we are going to be using for turning on the motor.
Okay.
Now I'm going to be making the circuit. We will take these positive and negative terminals of the battery,
Yeah.
and I am going to be connecting the positive terminal with one of the terminals of this motor. All right, Arham?
Okay.
With the clip that you already have.
Hey,
Can you-
I want to put it in.
Can you put it? I'll just show it first to everyone so that then you can put it, okay? This is the motor and this is one of the terminals, and I'm going to wind this in
Here.
here, okay? I'm going to wind it, and then I'm going to be clipping it. Can you clip it, Arham?
Sure. Just need a few. Oh, it's too hard. That's right. There.
All right. Now you can see that the positive terminal is being clipped to the motor. Now I'm going to add the switch to the negative terminal.
Yes, that's right.
And how now I'm going to be connected one of these terminals to one of the switch terminal like this, and I'm going to wind it. And you have to wind it properly, okay? So I'm going to be winding it. Okay, now a little bit up, Arham, so I can just show them. I'm going to wind this, as you can see, in one of the terminals. And now I'm going to take another wire, okay, and I'm going to connect it to the other terminal. Okay, now you know what happens when we do this, Arham?
You have to be very careful or else you'll get a current.
Alright, I'm going to show you this. To one of the black terminals that is connected to the minus of the battery has been connected to the switch, one terminal, and the other terminal has been connected to the other part. Now what will happen actually when the switch is on 0, can you see? Then they are open. They're not connected from inside. Inside this box there is a connection, okay? So when it's at 0, it's not connected, okay? These two are not joined. But when I turn it into 1, I'm going to press 1. You know, inside the box there is a connection and it joins these two wires together. Do you understand?
Yes.
So I'm going to just close it right now. Now this other terminal I'm going to be connecting with the other terminal of the motor. It's very simple and easy. Can you see it, Arham? I'm going to show your friends also. Here, okay? Here is the other terminal of the battery. See? This one. I'll show you. This one, okay? And I'm going to be connecting it here, okay?
Okay.
And I'm going to clamp it with the clip so it doesn't fall off. Okay? Can you see? It's done.
Yeah. Now let's...
Wait. Let me show them the circuit. This is the complete circuit. Can you see the battery?
Yes.
And the switch, the battery positive red is connected to one part of the motor, and the negative is first connected to the switch, and the switch is then connected to the other part of the motor.
Yes.
Now Arham, can you turn on the switch?
Is ready.
Arham is going to show you how it's going to work. Arham, can you turn on the switch?
Sure.
Can you see?
Yes.
And when you turn off the switch, what happens?
It closes.
Oh. Wow.
Hope
That's
you
so
like
cool.
this
Turn
video,
it on
like
again.
and subscribe. Okay?
Alright, bye.
Okay. Subscribe to Arham Z.
Arham Z's YouTube channel.
And
Leave some comments also.
and leave some comments. Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.